Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by using Chrome or Edge already signed into your Google account. Open Mail, Google, Com. Once loaded, open the browser menu and pick Install or Create Shortcut. Choose the option to open as a window so Gmail behaves like an app. This gives you a native-like experience and keeps Gmail on your desktop. Once created, a shortcut appears on the desktop. You can launch Gmail without a tab, which speeds access and reduces browser clutter. Once the app is running, open Gmail settings and navigate to the offline section. Enable offline mail to store messages locally. Choose how many days of mail to keep, balancing space versus access, and make sure you allow data to be stored on this device. This is why using the app is helpful. Offline sync keeps messages ready when you lose connectivity. Make sure your device has enough disk space and that you trust the machine, since mail will be cached locally. To finish, test the setup. Disconnect your network, open the desktop Gmail app, read and compose a message, then reconnect to confirm it sends. Pin the app to your taskbar or Start for instant access, and set it as your default mail handler if you want Mailto links to open here. If the install fails, clear site data for mail. Google, Com or Repeat create shortcut with Open as window. Alternatively, try another Chromium browser. That usually resolves install issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.